Let's get right into it. We all know about saving, investing, and making smart choices with our money. But what if there's a new kind of money, digital and potentially game-changing? I'm talking about cryptocurrency. I know it sounds complicated and risky, but what if you could start with just $1? Today, we'll break it down simply. No jargon, no charts. We'll talk about Bitcoin, its smallest unit called the Satoshi, and a new thing called tSAT. tSAT lets you get involved in digital money without wild price swings. You don't need to be a tech genius or a millionaire. All you need is $1 and an open mind. Think about your money, dollars in your bank, coins in your pocket, cards for coffee. Digital money is just another form, secured online, run by computers. Learning about new systems gives you more options and makes you a smarter saver. We're not talking about risking your savings, just using $1 to learn something new. For less than a cup of coffee, you can get a front row seat to the future of finance. This is about knowledge, not gambling. Stick with me as we go step by step. No confusion, just clear info. I want you to walk away confident about this new digital world. For $1, you can start understanding what everyone's talking about. It's the cheapest education you'll ever get. Let's smash the like button for financial education and get started. Ready? Let's dive in. Digital money is here, and it's time to learn. You don't have to be left behind. Let's make your first step into the future of money. $1, one new skill. Let's go. So, what is Bitcoin? Imagine money that isn't controlled by any bank or government. Digital cash managed by a global network. This network is called the blockchain, a public notebook everyone can see, but no one can change. Every Bitcoin transaction is recorded there, making it secure and decentralized. Now, one Bitcoin is worth thousands of dollars, but you don't need to buy a whole one. Just like $1 splits into 100 cents, Bitcoin splits into 100 million Satoshis. A Satoshi is the tiniest piece of Bitcoin. Think of it as a crumb from a giant pizza. You can buy just $1's worth, or even less. This makes Bitcoin accessible to everyone, not just the wealthy. You're not buying the whole pizza, just a taste. It's like saving loose change, but digital. Anyone can start collecting small pieces. You don't need to feel left out because of the high price. It's about participation, not getting rich overnight. Bitcoin is the big pizza, Satoshis are the bites. Start small, learn as you go. That's how you begin your journey in digital assets. It's simple, and it's for everyone. You can own a piece of the future for just $1. No need to be a millionaire. Just get a taste and see what it's all about. That's the power of Satoshis. So, you can buy tiny pieces of Bitcoin, Satoshis. But here's the catch. Bitcoin's price swings wildly. One day it's up, the next it's down. This is called volatility. For savers, that's scary. You don't want your dollar to turn into 50 cents overnight. It feels more like gambling than saving. With regular dollars, you know what you have today is what you'll have tomorrow. Bitcoin's value can change in minutes, making it hard to use for everyday savings. That's why many people hesitate to get involved. They want the benefits of digital money but not the roller coaster ride. The big question: how can you enjoy the new system without the risk? People needed something stable, predictable. A way to hold Satoshis without losing sleep. That's where tSAT comes in. It was created to solve this exact problem. tSAT gives you the stability you need to start saving digitally. No more wild swings, just steady value. Let's see how it works. Enter tSAT, the Stable Satoshi. tSAT is a digital asset tied to the US dollar, but connected to Bitcoin's technology. $1 of tSAT always equals $1, no matter what Bitcoin's price does. It's designed to be stable, removing the stress of volatility. You can save in tSAT just like you save in dollars. Your balance won't swing up and down with the market. It's a real savings tool for regular people. tSAT lets you get comfortable with digital money without the risk. It's like training wheels for Bitcoin. You get the benefits of the technology with the stability of the dollar. Perfect for beginners and savers. You can watch your digital savings grow, $1 at a time. No surprises, just steady progress. tSAT is the bridge between old and new money. It's safe, simple, and designed for you. Start with $1 and see how easy it is. That's the power of tSAT.
So how does tSAT stay stable? It's not magic. It's smart financial tech. tSAT is a stablecoin, a digital coin pegged to the US dollar. For every tSAT, there's a real dollar or equivalent value held in reserve. Think of it like a coat check. Your ticket is always worth your coat. Stablecoins use reserves and smart contracts to keep their value steady. tSAT tracks the value of Satoshis in dollars, using reserves and technology to maintain its peg. When you buy tSAT, the system ensures your digital dollar stays worth $1. This makes tSAT reliable for saving and spending. Unlike Bitcoin, which swings in value, tSAT is steady. It's a digital dollar in the crypto world. That's what makes it trustworthy. You get the benefits of crypto without the risk. That's the magic of stablecoins.
Ready to try? Here's how to buy your first dollar of tSAT. First, download a digital wallet app that supports tSAT, like Noons. Set up your account just like any payment app. Connect your bank or debit card. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for security. Inside the app, select tSAT and enter the amount, just $1. Confirm the transaction. In seconds, you'll see your tSAT in your wallet. Congratulations, you now own digital money. No complex charts, no big risks. The process is quick and easy. Anyone can do it. You've just turned a regular dollar into a digital dollar. It's real, it's yours, and it's the first step into a new financial world. The barrier to entry is gone. All you need is a smartphone and $1. That's how simple it is to start. Why bother with just $1? Because it's not about getting rich, it's about learning. For $1, you learn how to set up a wallet, buy digital assets, and make transactions. It's a test drive of the digital economy. Doing it yourself makes the concepts real. You'll understand wallets, addresses, and transactions because you've used them. Starting small builds. Good habits. Every wealth journey begins with the first dollar. This is your first step, but in a digital format. It's hands-on learning for the price of a candy bar. There's no stress, just experience. You gain confidence and knowledge. Next time crypto comes up, you can join the conversation. You'll speak from experience, not just theory. It demystifies digital money. Don't underestimate the power of $1. It's about empowerment, not profit. That's why it matters. This isn't just theory. Real people are using stablecoins to change their financial lives. Take Maria, a student who started saving $5 a week in stablecoins. She learned discipline, watched her balance grow, and gained confidence. Or a freelancer in a country with unstable currency. He uses tSAT to protect his earnings from inflation. For both, it's not about getting rich, but about stability and empowerment. Small steps lead to big changes. Saving even a few dollars digitally can be revolutionary. It's about access, confidence, and control. Anyone, anywhere, can start with just $1. These stories show the real power of digital savings. It's a quiet revolution in personal finance. It all starts with the decision to try. $1 can change your mindset.
So, here's the bottom line. Bitcoin is the big digital network. Satoshis are the tiny pieces. But volatility is scary. tSAT gives you stability and access to the crypto world. It's your safe entry point. Start with just $1. Don't wait. Download a wallet, buy $1 of tSAT,
and see how it works. This isn't about investing your life savings. It's about investing in your education. The world of money is changing, and you can be part of it. Take control of your financial learning, one small step at a time. For the cost of $1, you open a door to new possibilities. You might discover a passion for finance, or just learn something new. There's no downside, only knowledge to gain. Make your first smart decision in the digital world. Buy your first dollar of tSAT. See how simple it is. Join millions exploring the new digital economy. Stop being intimidated. Start being empowered. Your financial future starts with $1. Thanks for watching. Get your free tSAT and see you next time.